arrested, Sonam surrenders in murder of Indore tourist Raja Raghuvanshi in Meghalaya. Meghalaya Minister Defence Police slams critics after Sonam Raghuvanshi surrenders. Indore tourist Raja Raghuvanshi's murder was premeditated, says police, who arrested Sonam in custody. Tourism Minister confirms love triangle in Indore tourist murder, slams media for defaming Meghalaya. And Raja Raghuvanshi case, relief turns to outrage in Meghalaya as truth emerges. The news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy CM Prestun Tinsong today confirmed the arrest of 4 individuals in the murder of Indore tourist Raja Raghuvanshi, who went missing with his wife Sonam during their May honeymoon in East Khasi Hills. Sonam, named a prime accused, surrendered in Ghazipur, UP and is in safe custody. One suspect remains at large. Tinsong thanked all involved in the search and rejected claims that Meghalaya is becoming a crime hotspot, calling them unfair. Police confirmed Raja was killed on May 23rd and all accused will be brought to Shillong for further investigation.
Kajing ya sabun, kajing sanur, dan kajing syak tenong kamalai hujai dan muskil. Kita kasih kalau koi syak masai, syak papau, bat muntah. Kaganti kini ki saumet, bat sanmut rup, bat kata kapong Sonam, kat kalok jong utulit raja, kaba kinyak kin mentah kinyak ya kaan, hakaba ngin warna ya kibarok sini Shillong, ngaka bentabannya cucu investigation.
Following the safe recovery of Sonam Raghuvanshi near Ghazipur, UP, Meghalaya Minister Alexander Lalu Hek strongly defended the state police, stating the truth has come out, and criticized those who blamed Meghalaya police and its people for the couple disappearance. Calling the accusations extremely shameful, he praised the swift action that led to arrest within 7 days and suggested filing defamation case against those who he claimed malign the state's image during the investigation.
Already came out, and also it has been surfacing. So all these days, the family of Raja Rajbangshi, their friends, their brothers, and their whole family, they are blaming the police of Meghalaya, they are blaming the government of Meghalaya, and particularly, it's a very shameful, blaming the people of Meghalaya. We should file the defamation case against these people who are maligning the image of the state of Meghalaya and maligning the image of the people of Meghalaya. We have to file the defamation case against them.
Indore tourist Raja Raghuvanshi reported missing with his wife Sonam since May 23rd after visiting Sora was found murdered in a premeditated act linked to a love triangle, according to police. Their rented scooty was discovered the same day near Sora Rim's Golden Pines Dhaba, and Raja's body was recovered on June 2nd before being taken to Nigrim's hospital for post-mortem. East Khas Hills SP Vivek Saim revealed the murder weapon, a dao, was purchased in Guwahati, indicating detailed planning. 4 suspects have been arrested and Sonam, named a prime accused, surrendered in Ghazipur, UP and is in safe custody. All accused are being brought to Shillong for court proceedings.
They'll cause arrest and take transit remand.
So when are you going to bring them to Shillong?
As and when we get the transit remand. In MP, 2 teams are there, and one team is going to UP right now. SIT, which is composed of the SOT and special cell and all that, had gone there. A very robust team under 2 DSPs, DSP operations and DSP crime, and with the support and help from MP and UP police, we got these people.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh confirmed that the murder of indoor tourist Raja Raghuvanshi in Sora stemmed from a love triangle, with the prime accused allegedly hiring a contract killer. He condemned national media outlets for defaming Meghalaya, announcing that an FIR has been filed and legal action initiated against those spreading false narratives. Asserting that Meghalaya remains safe for tourists, Lyngdoh questioned how the state could be blamed for a premeditated crime plan outside its borders.
The state government will leave no stone unturned to take all measures against these people who have been abusing our hospitality, who have been abusing the state and its leaders, and we will ensure that we take all legal steps against them, and we will set the reports straight. But where this family is concerned, I can only say that you should have state back in Indo.
With 3 suspects arrested in Madhya Pradesh and Sonam Raghuvanshi surrendering in Uttar Pradesh, Meghalaya residents have expressed both relief and rising anger over the vilification of their state during the investigation into Raja Raghuvanshi's murder. As the facts unfold, public backlash is mounting against social media influencers and media houses that spread unfounded allegations against Meghalaya and its people. Various stakeholders have condemned the smear campaign while praising the Meghalaya police for their swift and effective action in cracking the case. Calls for public apologies and accountability continue to grow. This incident has underscored the importance of withholding judgment and allowing the law to take its proper course.
I would request them that if as fast as you can shoot out your guns without knowing the facts, I would also request you to also shoot out your guns to apologize to the people of the state and especially to the people of Sora without knowing the proper facts. From the organization, we congratulate the Meghalaya police, and we want that all those culprits involved should be brought into the law. They should be punishable, should be punished as per the law.
Don't think that it's no more than sakano kasnong namar ba kasnong Sora ti kasnong ka ba iternat ka ba kibun ba ki nong wan ka ki kung ki tourist mo ba wan ka yon ayon to kampana ay tang mentahi ni susi bagi keno namar ni nilong innocent ba kibriu hang ni po Meghalaya nilong innocent ba ke kajing keno jong kipat kalong unacceptable.
Da kuntur ka sarkar ba kansil ki lat kelenti ki ba kambyang kanang ba kum kini ki balaja ki naman sia syu mo lien abot tang ba kajela ka jungi kanam paunam ki ba kum kini ki jingjia ki ba ngim so tenat mo kum kinong sung
ke banong ban poi hadu kata ka put i banong ban syak penyap yu bre bawan sangkai ha kani kajela ka jungi ta kal along na kum ka shopping kan ma nam ta ka jungi saya bana syukhanyo pe kumin ka jingja manta le ki banabar manta le ka jingbu nam kal awan raru ya ka jelahi kumi ki nong di jingdi kumi ki brio ki ba emjai kan ka tourism.
Just expect that these kind of things do not happen in the near future, and that evidences should be found at the earliest, so that our people and the people living in our state, especially in the remote areas, who are running the tourism department, okay, they do not get involved in such a thing.
A serious incident occurred at Thrills Fun Park in Maulen Maukhan, Riboy district, where a tourist visiting with his family allegedly misbehaved with and manhandled the park's owner Eugene Nyangti and an employee without provocation. The situation escalated until a woman staff member intervened, prompting the tourist to flee. Nyangti reported the incident to the media, stating that the assault and destruction of park equipment were captured on CCTV footage. Captain Subhanshu Shukla from Triveni Nagar, Lucknow, is set to make history as the second Indian to travel to space after Rakesh Sharma, embarking on the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station on June 10th aboard SpaceX Falcon 9 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. His hometown is celebrating with decorated homes and heartfelt wishes, as neighbors hail him as a national hero and his parents express immense pride in his achievement. The Ultimate Bikers Association, or the Tulba, Sorankam unit, in collaboration with the central body, handed over a newly built house to Kong Biralda Warlalpi, a widowed mother of 2. This marks the 5th house donated by the unit, each costing approximately 3.5 lakh. Tulba expressed gratitude to their supporters for contributions in cash and kind. Present at the event were Kirshan Lang Nongbri, president of Tulba, recipient's family and others.
Pelak ya tidak bebas itu dalam kerjaan ya kesentul bah baru untuk ya baru tidak dan katakan kayak gitu.
Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 25 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 56% and the rainfall was recorded at 6 mm. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 17.6 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 26.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 97% and the rainfall was recorded at 8 mm. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 82% and the rainfall was recorded at 1.8 mm. And the forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong says that moderate rainfall, thunder shower is likely at most places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. 4 arrested, Sonam surrenders in murder of indoor tourist Raja Raghuvanshi in Meghalaya. Meghalaya Minister Defence Police slams critics after Sonam Raghuvanshi surrenders. Indoor tourist Raja Raghuvanshi's murder was premeditated, says police. 4 arrested, Sonam in custody. Tourism Minister confirms love triangle in indoor tourist murder, slams media for defaming Meghalaya.